wrong to say that people are not fascinated by outer space. Each and every human being on this planet would like to know about the existence of other planets in the known universe. Today we bring to you 10 extraordinary planets that defy all reasons. If outer space interests you, this is just the video for you. These 10 planets are sure to pick your brain and leave you thinking. Subscribe to our channel to find out more about such videos. We hope you enjoy this video, and if you do not forget to leave a comment below. Located 400 light-years away from the planet Earth, the planet J1407b consists of planetary rings that are 200 times bigger than that of Saturn. We know how beautiful Saturn looks with its rings, and we can now imagine what another planet would look like with a much bigger ring. It is true that scientists do not completely understand what caused the increased size of the rings, but they're sure that if Saturn had such big rings, it would have dominated the night sky of our planet Earth, and the planet would appear much bigger than a full moon. How beautiful would it have been? Planets can be lonely too, and this one, inside the Crux constellation, is deemed to be the loneliest planet in the known universe. This planet is 300 light-years away from the blue planet. Named as HD 106906b, this planet is 11 times the size of Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. Due to this, scientists have given this planet a nickname of Super Jupiter. It is extremely surprising to note that this lonely planet orbits the parent star at a distance 20 times that between the distance of Sun and Neptune. The distance between Sun and Neptune is about 60 billion miles, and this unusual distance and separation make this planet the most lonely one. About 750 light-years away from the Earth, a planet known as TRES-2b is known as the darkest planet in the universe, and owing to this darkness, this planet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits its atmosphere. This planet is as dark as one can expect, and in fact this planet reflects less than what cold and black acrylic paints do. The little part that does not get reflected by the planet's atmosphere make the planet faintly red in color, and the atmosphere becomes quite suffocating. This faint red color makes the planet glow in a dimly lit evil red color. The 55 Cantry E shall make diamond merchants go berserk for this planet is nothing but a huge diamond. Yes, you heard that right. This planet, which is actually a diamond, orbits a very distant star. When the planet was first formed, it was entirely made up of carbon. Due to intense heat and pressure from its parent star, the planet became a huge unpolished diamond. Such is the size of the planet, but it has been approximated at a worth of $26.9 nonillion. $26.9 nonillion is about 384 quintillion times the GDP of the entire Earth. But hold on, this planet is about 40 light-years away from the Earth, but if you do manage to bring diamonds back home, the diamond market would crash heavily and the diamonds would stand worthless. To save yourself from the worthlessness, do not venture onto that planet. Gliese 436b is a nice planet that was recently discovered. This planet is about the size of Neptune, but this fact alone does not look quite surprising. This planet is very close to its parent star, and that closeness keeps this icy planet on fire all throughout. But being an icy planet on fire sounds like an oxymoron, doesn't it? According to scientists, this planet remains on fire all throughout, even though it is covered with ice, is the cause of the gravitational pull of the planet. The gravitational pull is so much that it prevents the ice from physically melting. This gravitational pull is what is responsible for this icy planet to burn, irrespective of having ice on its surface. WASP 12b is a planet that orbits dangerously close to its parent star. It is so close that it might someday be eaten alive. Every orbit brings it close to its parent star. The parent star's gravitational pull is so huge that it will engulf the planet in no time. This gravitational pull has distorted the actual shape of the planet. Currently, the shape of the planet is like an egg, and the reason is the gravitational pull of its parent star. Gliese 581c is one among the many planets that scientists believe could support the existence of life. Even though it could support life theoretically, it looks nothing like that of our Earth. This planet orbits a dwarf red star, and due to its tidally locked position, one part of it receives complete darkness throughout, and the other part is completely covered in light. The narrow area of the twilight zone is where life might be supported. To be noted that the skies of this planet are crimson red, and if any plant were to survive on this planet, the plants would have to use infrared rays for photosynthesis, which in turn would make the plant black in color in place of green. Due to its potential for supporting life, a text message was broadcast in 2008 in hopes of receiving a signal from the life that could exist there. The message is supposed to reach the planet in the year 2029. A planet with the name of GJ1214b. In this planet goes by the name of Waterworld because whichever direction you look at, you would only get to see water. And in other words, there is no land on this planet but oceans. The oceans on this planet run miles deep up to the core of the planet, and this is what makes the planet a unique water planet. WASP 17b is a unique discovery for the astronomers because it is one of the largest planets they have ever discovered. This planet is about 1.9 times the size of Jupiter, and its size and the low density has left the astronomers dumbfounded. The existence of this planet shakes the roots of our belief in how every other planet gets formed. Having a retrograde orbit, this planet rotates in the direction opposite of that of its parent star. Most planets go to the opposite way, and therefore this planet is an exception. HD 188753. This planet has one of the most unique locations, 151 light years away from the Earth. This planet consists of about 3 stars, which shall result in the formation of 3 shadows. Regular solar eclipses could be seen, and one can see a sunset in every direction. We have come to the end of our video, and we hope that you enjoyed this tour of outer space. If you would like to visit such mystical places again, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to keep a lookout for our videos.